Thank you very much. To start with, the case was heard today. Both sides, the lawyers made submissions in the court. The applicants, we made our submissions through the lawyers, the arguments. And afterwards, also the lawyers for the Lungu family made their submissions. And we had to reply. And so the court has reserved its judgment that it will come before Friday. We have been assured that the court will be able to deliver judgment even tomorrow, if possible. But we have been assured. And so we are waiting for judgment in whatever way the court will give it. That is what we are waiting for. Yes, the highlights, of course, on our side, our arguments were that President Lungu, having been the president for Zambia for 7 years, or having been a president, he deserves to be given a burial which the Zambians feel should be a burial with dignity. And that means that he must be buried in Zambia at Embassy Park, and with all the protocols involved. That's the military will be there. The salute, the gun salute will be there. And Zambians should see the procession, the body viewing, if it can't be body viewing, but Zambians surely should come and pay respects. That's where we are. The Lungu family also believe that they should bury in South Africa. What they were pushing across was that because Mr. Lungu was mistreated, that's the allegation they are making, that he was mistreated and so he can't be buried in Zambia. But issues that were coming up at the end of the day, the court was able to ask from the submissions and the documentations which are on record that the bigger thing, the issue appears to be the family not wanting the current president to be near the casket or the body. And so the court is looking at that. And also the question that came out was presiding. Because from the Lungu family, their argument was that the president, Mr. Kainde Chilema, he must not preside over the funeral. But the court was able to ask a question as to what is the definition of presiding. And they have looked at the documents and they have indicated that in one of the documents by the parties, it was decided that Bishop Ali Banda, or is it Lungu, he must preside over the funeral. So that issue was left for the court to decide as to what happens, what is the interpretation of presiding. Also, the issue was hypothetical questions were being asked as to what if the body is repatriated to Zambia, if the president is not allowed to attend, is it going to be a state funeral? So those issues were also being brought out. And so we are looking forward to see how the court will decide. Well, it will be it will not be right for me to anticipate or to say where the case is headed. Sometimes courts will give reasons, and sometimes it can appear like you are succeeding in your case. But at the end of the day, the court might say, however, and then the whole scenario changes. So we can't really